In this video, we are going to break down the top 5 video doorbells, and give you our honest opinions about the best products on the market. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. When it comes to protecting your home and ensuring safety, the anti-theft video doorbell mount is a top contender. This cleverly designed mount is compatible with a range of popular video doorbells, making it a versatile choice for any home. With its no-drill mounting bracket, installation is a breeze and can be done in seconds. The anti-theft design provides peace of mind, ensuring your doorbell stays securely in place. Plus, the cooling design helps prolong the lifespan of your doorbell by allowing for efficient heat dissipation. And if you ever encounter any issues, the quality after-sales service is ready to assist you promptly. Enhance your home security with the secure mount for video doorbells today. Lori from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "It works great, easy to set up. It comes with everything that you need to install. It's loud, I can hear the chime from upstairs. When it comes to powering your doorbell devices, look no further than the XCGM 24-volt doorbell transformer. This upgraded transformer is not only unique in appearance, but also offers a higher safety factor compared to other brands. With short-circuit protection and temperature protection, you can rest assured that your devices will be well taken care of. Connecting your doorbell devices to our Ring doorbell power supply is a breeze, no need to worry about positive and negative poles. Just plug it in, and it's good to go. The 32-foot extension cord provides flexibility for installation in any location within your home. Tested for compatibility with Ring Video Doorbell, Eufy, Blink, WYZE, and Nest Video Doorbells, this transformer is a reliable choice for all your doorbell needs. With XCGM's dedication to quality and customer satisfaction, you can trust in a zero-risk experience with our products. Stay connected and powered up with XCGM 24-volt doorbell transformer. Looking for a reliable and easy-to-use video doorbell camera? The Reolink Video Doorbell Pro camera offers exceptional features that make it stand out from the rest. With a Super HD 5MP image quality and a wide 180-degree diagonal view, you'll never miss a thing happening at your doorstep. The Chime V2 included allows for quicker responses to visitors with its customizable tunes and volume settings. The Pro setup ensures a stable and reliable connection without relying on spotty signals. Additionally, the flexible storage options and versatile software provide convenient recording and storage choices without any monthly fees. With humanoid detection technology, you can enjoy accurate alerts tailored to human activities, making it a top choice for home security. Silas from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Worked and connected very easily with my current Reolink DVR system. When it comes to adjusting the angle of your video doorbell, look no further than the Riovo adjustable doorbell angle mount. Compatible with a wide range of video doorbell models, including Video Doorbell 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and the 2020 release, this mount offers precise angle adjustments from 30 to 55 degrees in either direction. Made with high-quality ABS material and stainless steel screws, you can trust in the durability and reliability of this product. With a symmetric design for a consistent viewing angle, you can easily customize the direction of your doorbell camera. Riovo prioritizes customer satisfaction, ensuring top-notch product quality and excellent customer service for a seamless shopping experience. Note, doorbell not included in package. Holly from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Well built and wide range of angles to choose." Introducing the Clearview 1080p Video Doorbell, a sophisticated yet simple solution to elevate your home security. This wired smart Wi-Fi doorbell camera comes complete with a chime for added convenience and heightened awareness. Equipped with human detection powered by cutting-edge AI technology, you can rest assured that you'll only receive notifications for meaningful security events. The cloud storage option offers AES 128 encrypted security, ensuring your videos are safely stored and easily accessible. Additionally, the pre-event recording feature captures crucial moments leading up to any incident, providing you with a comprehensive view of the situation. With state-of-the-art night vision capabilities, including 4 IR lights and an intelligent sensor, the Clearview 1080p video doorbell guarantees clear and continuous video monitoring, day or night. Plus, each package includes an extra doorbell chime for customizable alert zones within your home. Enhance your security with Clearview today. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on the top 5 video doorbells. We hope it was helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments, and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.